Hello guys, these raindrops is actually outside a plane and we're on board Airbus-321 5J814 Cebu Pacific from Singapore to Manila. And today it's a rainy day. We're gonna have an experience on flying with drizzling weather. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe and share as well. Comment if you have anything in mind. At this point, our plane is already taxiing to the runway, ready for flying. And we have taken off. So this is a mile-high view of flying, and if you'd like to skip, there's more after 21 seconds. And I'll be featuring the food for Cebu Pacific that I have ordered.
Are requested to take their seats. Nakakaramdam po tayo ng pag-alok ng aeroplano para po sa inyong kaligtasan, manatili po muna
So my pre-ordered meal is actually beef adobo, and some say adobo in English, but it's adobo for Filipino. So this is actually nice. It tastes good. There's like potato and also brown rice, and it comes with water. So I ordered Coke to go with it actually. So I'm happy with my meal. Here comes a usual game for Cebu Pacific, where they are going to give you a line of a movie and you're going to guess the movie title and you win a prize.
Sana ako pa rin. Ako na lang ulit. Okay, we have a very quick one here in the front. Di pa tapos ang movie line, alam na po ang sagot. And the correct answer is One More Chance. And we have one more prize to give away. For my last movie line, this 1985 Filipino movie is iconic for the line, "You're nothing but a second rate, trying hard, copycat." Okay, I have a winner here up front. Congratulations, ma'am, and the correct answer is Tingting Walang Tingting. Once again, congratulations to all of the winners, and we will now... I was waiting for turkey rice.
So since I am short, legroom is not a problem for me, but if you're tall, I would recommend that you request for an exit row seat. This Airbus 321 have USB ports for each seat, and you can charge your phone from here. So my favorite thing to do while on flight is actually looking for islands or anything that is very nice when like overlooking, and I take a picture or video for them. Like this one, it's like Blue Lagoon, and I wonder what's this place. I wonder from which country this is. If you know about this island, please let me know. I'd like to search about it. See, here's another cute one. It looks like a shark fin. You see that? It's so nice. So when I see clouds, I no longer do videos, but when it's near landing, I like taking a video of overlooking places and structures of the city. So here we are. We're already descending and landing soon. And enjoy the place or the view. If you have videos like this in the future, you can also tag or subscribe. Let me know so I can subscribe as well. So it's very cloudy here in Manila at this point when we were descending. It was drizzling in Singapore a while ago, remember? And now we're landing in Manila and it's actually raining. So this is how it is. First-hand experience, but it's okay because it's not scary actually. I get used to it and it's just normal. Here's the fun part. This is actually my first going home in 3 years since COVID happened. So I'm very much excited going home. And after this flight, Singapore to Manila, I will have to fly from Manila to Cagayan de Oro to my hometown. And I'm going to be posting another video for that. Please check it out. And if you like, you can subscribe. I'd really appreciate you subscribe on my video. And you can message me for anything that you'd like to have a video of in the future, or like anything you're interested in. We're here in Manila. Look at that. This is my country. Touchdown! That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm waiting for my flight from Manila to Cagayan de Oro. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you. Bye.